Hi everybody, it's the 23rd of December and I'm back out for another camp. I'm being met by some members of the family, so my brother and my niece and her boyfriend are coming out as well. So it should be good fun. The real reason for doing this is I've just bought another tent and it's probably one of the cheapest I've ever had at £65. So I want to find out just how a £65 tent actually performs when it comes to practical overnight use. So that's it, just hit freezing now. So with the wind chill up here, because we're up over 1,000 feet at the wind farm, it's going to be pretty nippy. The troops have arrived. The cavalry.
Better late than never.
Yeah. Anyone who's mad enough to do this with me, it's got to be a good thing. Ta-da! Here's the camp food for tonight. We're not talking dehydrated this time. Brilliant. Some guys with very bright torches off to our right on the viewpoint, but we're not going that way. We're going to go to Dunwan Hill to the left. There's a wee river just up ahead here on the right hand side at the junction where we go left. Yeah, just there's a kind of old dry stone dike ahead of us on the left. You kind of just follow it up. But this is quite sheltered if we needed it. It's just you don't get the view, so. Okay, that's us up. Nearly. Just getting the elixir together. Richard's in the, what is that again? Force 10. Is that a xenon or helium?
Helium UL1.
Helium UL1. I am in a £65 tent from Decathlon. Well, the vestibule's a good size anyway. Bit narrow, but yeah, it's comfortable. Are you guys all set up? You alright? And here comes the bikes.
That's a lovely pitch in the porch there, isn't it?
What do you mean?
Has that been in that wrapper for years?
Probably. I dare say.
At least it's got a bit of wind protection if you want to cook.
Yeah. James and his son are coming up to visit us on their mountain bikes.
I come bearing gifts as well.
Oh, well, does he? Oh, that's exciting.
It's like Christmas, isn't it?
Santa's come early.
Finest beach logs.
Oh, good man. Brilliant.
I got 3 and that nearly killed me. So fair play to you.
Excellent.
Circle you and stuff like that, or just you follows you if you've got the control of your phone. Live or before done?
No, once I'm in.
Alright.
Some of the houses are 10 years old.
Alright.
Don't get lost now.
I did wonder when they went off.
There they go.
Speedy.
He loves that e-bike, doesn't he?
Oh, that e-bike's been like a new lease of life for him. Richard has asked me to put his candle on his tent. I'm just having a wee sneaky look. He's got a giant, what is that? A Makalu Light 2 down bag. Looks very warm. That's a nice wee tent. I do like these wee Force 10s.
I'm not being concentrating on that light.
No, no, if I actually
Or shoot the stars.
Right, time to make up a hot water bottle for tonight because it's going to be a cold one. The tent is frozen solid. It's all iced up inside. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it's pretty cold. Do you mind if I film you? Hey, he's in his bed. Look at that, look at the space.
That'd be better if the door's pitched up.
Yeah, it's like a bag of sparrows, get a grip. A wee bit of ice, but you're not bad. It's cosy though.
Yeah. You see it on the inside there actually.
Yeah, that's what we were waiting on. Hasn't blooming come up yet, and it's nearly 9 o'clock. Anyway, we're going to head. Leave no trace, cleaned everything up. We're out here. And we're going to head back. So that was good. That is the Decathlon tent, £65. And I have to say, at £65, it's great value. There's a lot of design ideas in it that I really like. It's very quick to pitch. It's very like the MSR Advanced Pro, in that you've got 2 half sleeves, pop the poles in, a couple of clips at the front, and the whole thing is up because the inner's suspended inside. And then there's a nice vestibule on it with a cross pole, which was really good as well. So plenty of room for packs, plenty of room for cooking, a mostly solid inner, which was excellent. So in that sub-zero temperatures last night, worked really well. I guess the opposite is true in the summer. It could get a bit warm as a tent, but anyway, it worked absolutely fine. Poles are not the best quality, but they stood to the wind okay last night as well, which was great. The one thing I would change is the vent at the rear of the tent is a bit low, so it's just above your head if you're sleeping away from the door. It would be better to be above the pockets. Any other observations that I can think of? Yeah, the main zip on the inner tent is a wee bit delicate. It could probably do with being sized up. But for £65, an absolute bargain, well worth a look, people. A nice 2-person backpacking tent at about 2.6 kilos. You could make it lighter as well with Dyneema line and lighten the pegs and drop the bags. So again, thank you for watching my wee trip and my wee test. I may actually put that tent up for grabs as a giveaway, but it is good. It's not because it's bad, it's a very good tent. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on that one. Merry Christmas everybody, I hope you have a great one, and I'll speak to you hopefully before January starts with another video. Cheers just now.